There are three forms of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids. A solid is matter that has a definite shape and volume. This means that the shape and volume of a solid will not change unless you cut, tear, break, or burn it. You can always see and touch solids. Socks and toy blocks are examples of solids. A piece of paper is a solid. It may be in the shape of a square, rectangle, triangle, or circle. You can change its shape by cutting or tearing it. A wooden block is also a solid. It has a rectangular shape. You cannot change its shape unless you cut or burn it. Solids have other properties that set them apart from one another. They can be hard or soft, shiny or dull, and stretchable or stiff. Examples of these are hard rock, soft cotton, shiny golden jar, dull clay jar, stretchy rubber band, and stiff stick. You can smell some solids. Roses are solids that have a sweet odor that many people like. Guma melas, also called hibiscus, are also solids. However, unlike roses, guma melas do not have an odor. Solids may have different tastes or no taste at all. For example, ripe mangoes are sweet, green mangoes are sour, shrimp paste or bagoong is salty, cocoa powder is bitter, and mushrooms are umami or savory. Solids may also have different colors or no color at all. Look at the pictures below. The beetle is brown, the flamingo is pink, the pumpkin is orange, the broccoli is green, and the flowers are violet. The drinking glass does not have any color at all. Handling solids. We use solids in many of our daily activities. Some of these solids can be dangerous or harmful to us if they are not used properly. Scissors, needles, knives, broken glass, and nails are sharp solids. They can prick or cut us. Be careful when using sharp objects. Always keep them pointed away from you and from other people. Do not handle broken glass with your bare hands. With the help of an adult, use a broom and a dustpan to remove the broken pieces. Then place the pieces in a sealed container and add a label so that other people, like garbage collectors, can handle them properly. Kettles, pots, and pans are solids that get very hot when used in cooking. You should be careful when handling them. Wear pot holders or mittens to protect your hands from getting burned. Do not burn paper, plastic, or glass. The smoke they produce is toxic or harmful to people and the environment. Instead, you can recycle or turn these wastes into new materials. You can recycle used papers into gift wrappers and notepads, old plastic pouches into garbage bags, and glass jars into flower vases or food containers. Why is it important to recycle or reuse objects? By recycling or reusing objects, you help lessen waste in the environment. You can also help your family save money. Can you think of other solid objects in your house that can be recycled or reused? Liquids. Drinking glasses, bottles, and bowls are all containers with different sizes and shapes. If you pour water into these containers, what do you think will happen to the water? Unlike solids, liquids do not have a definite shape. Instead, they flow and take the shape of their containers. Like solids, liquids have a definite volume. The volume of a liquid is the space it occupies in its container. You can see, smell, taste, and touch liquids. The coffee that your parents drink is a liquid. It has a smell that tells you it is coffee. Water is also a liquid, but it does not have a smell or a taste. Calamansi juice and milk are both liquids. Calamansi juice tastes sour, while milk tastes slightly sweet. Handling liquids. We use many different liquids in our homes. They have many uses. Some of these liquid items can be harmful. You need to be careful when using them. Liquid detergents, bug sprays, and other liquid cleaners should be kept out of reach of small children and pets. These items have dangerous substances that can harm you if you accidentally drink or swallow them. When you take liquid medicines, ask your parents or guardian to guide you. Taking the wrong medicines or the wrong amounts can harm you or make you sicker. Be careful with hot oil and boiling water. Ask an adult for help when you want to make a hot drink or cook something to eat. Gases. Like liquids, gases do not have a definite shape. Instead, they take the shape of their containers. For example, when you blow into an empty balloon, the gas or air fills the space inside the balloon. The gas then takes the shape of the balloon. When a gas escapes from its container, it spreads in all directions. For example, when someone sprays perfume or cologne in a room, you will be able to smell the odor even if you are in another part of the room. Many gases are colorless and odorless. This means that you cannot see or smell them. However, some gases have color and odor. Nitrogen dioxide is a gas produced by appliances such as stoves, ovens, water heaters, and fireplaces. This gas is poisonous but non-flammable or cannot be burned. It has a deep red-orange color. You can feel gas when the wind blows. Wind is moving air. Air is made up of different gases mixed together. Many gases are very useful to people. For example, oxygen and carbon dioxide are gases in the air that living things need to survive. Handling gases. Some gases, like carbon monoxide and hydrogen cyanide from cigarette smoke, can cause severe illness when you are exposed to them regularly. You should not breathe in or come near tobacco, cigarette, or vape smoke. Pesticide sprays and spray cleaners also contain gases that can be harmful if inhaled. Do not enter a room sprayed with these chemicals. You may only go inside it when the chemical smell is gone. Smoke from factories also contains gases that are harmful to people and the environment.